like this. This is good. You ready?
Yeah, go. Hey, y'all. It's a Chris here again. Sorry that it's been a while since I've done a video. It's been too cold out here for me to get out here and do it and turn it. But today I am going to be turning 3 old action pins for a 5-pin order I'm doing this week. So let's get started here. This first blank is a piece of, what did I say this was? Cocobolo. Thank you. Yep, a piece of Cocobolo. And I've never turned any of these blanks before, so we will see how it looks. So let's get started here. Okay.
Get everything locked into place?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you usually have that kind of problem with it, Chris?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
All right.
Okay. There we go. Now we're cutting. Now we're going.
There we go.
Can you see over my head?
Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Yeah, okay. Whee! I love Cocobolo.
Once you get those sharp corners off, it turns nice.
It does, yeah. I'd agree. Oh.
Oop. We're good.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Here we go.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright. Sorry about that, y'all. Let's get back going here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I did not show all the turning of this because it would take too long. So, but here's the finished blank, Cocobolo blank. And the next one I'm gonna do is either Ipe or Teak, and I'll be back in a minute to set that up.
Go.
Alright guys, this is the second blank. This is Ipe. I've never turned this wood either, but I'll just show you a little bit of it. There's the name of it right there, Ipe. And I'll show you all just a little bit of it, and then I'll show you the finished blank after it's all done. So let's get started here. Got it?
Yeah.
Go ahead and stop it. Alright, look here guys, this is the finished Ipe blank right here. This stuff turns kind of dusty. I don't know if I care for that or not, but let me know what you guys think. Alright y'all, I'll be right back in a minute. I'm going to get set up for my third one here, and I'm going to show you the full process of this one. Alright, see you in a minute.
Go.
Alright y'all, alright, we're back. This is the third and final blank of the day, which is a piece of teak. Okay?
Alright, yeah.
And I am going to show you the full process of turning this one. So, let's get at it here. Let's get at it.
Alright. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just say Teak at right there. Okay, go ahead.
Stay. Alright, here we go. We're back. You good?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, y'all, here is the third and final blank of Teak here. Okay?
Yeah.
And I am going to go ahead and assemble these off camera, and then I'll be back and show y'all what they look like. Alright, see you in a second. Hey, my friends. Well, these are two finished bolt action pins. The third one's giving me some fits, and I need some advice on that. If you don't mind helping me out, please. Alright, my friends, and I will see you the next time. And remember, God loves you. God bless you. You take care. Love y'all. Bye-bye.